What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jerica. If you are new here, what's up? This is the side of YouTube that you've been waiting on. What's going on? And shout out to all my returning subscribers. Tonight we are making street taco, and I'm going to teach you how to do it under 10 minutes, you guys. So let's just dive right into it. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients, and we're going to get this thing we've been in the kitchen because y'all already know how I get down. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, here is our ingredients. We're gonna do it super simple and cute tonight. We got the fresh spinach, we got the flour tortillas, we got the garlic. I've already taken out our frozen shrimp, so we're just gonna go ahead and let that thaw out. Got our grape tomatoes and onions, and of course the seasonings is all up in here, but we're gonna get into that. We'll go ahead and chop up our onions, tomatoes, and spinach, and we're gonna mix it all together and put it in a bowl and make a pico sauce. During it, y'all know what get on my nerves? These freaking iPhones, y'all. So I'm recording on my iPhone, and I do not know what kind of iPhone it is. iPhone, but it's like the storage in these phones are like garbage, you guys. Like, what the hell? They do that on purpose. This is our pico sauce. So it is tomatoes, onions, spinach, and I squeezed in a lime, mix it all together. We're just gonna set this to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and season our shrimp. I got garlic powder, pepper, black pepper, and some paisley flakes. We're gonna keep it real simple with the seasoning. All right, so before we cook the shrimp, we are gonna go ahead and just fry these tortillas. We're just gonna go ahead and get these out the way. Ooh, let me turn it down. Ooh, hold on, y'all, hold on. Child, hold on, let me turn this fan on. Oh my God, let me turn this down. Hold on, y'all. Child, this scared me. Hold on. She was a little way too high. Alright, y'all, so we are done. I put some cheese on top and some bacon bits, and I got some salsa with some chips. It only took less than 10 minutes to make, but y'all, I gotta get to these tacos because I'm so hungry. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, like and comment, and if you want to see some more cooking videos, just let me know what you want me to make next. And as always, positive vibes. I love y'all. Keep going, keep moving forward, and I'm out. Bye.